Anyway, guys, this is Nuren. Welcome to Nuren's Logic. This is how my logic actually works. I am not crazy. I am a little bit mentally unstable, not disabled, just unstable when I do drugs. But I'm not dangerous. I do not get violent. I do not intend to harm anyone, although I can harm you with my words, which is very harmful because I actually force you to use your brain when you listen to me, and then you actually don't want to listen to me because you are scared of what I'm saying. And then when people see I'm crazy and they think that I'm crazy, and they hear me speak, and then they want to hurt me, they want to rape me, they want to rob me. Wat is verkeerd met die nasie van vandag? Why would you want to harm someone who is out of their mind? Hoekom? Hoekom dan nou? Hoekom nou weer? Hoekom maak jy my so seer? Say, shut up, just shut up, shut up. Shut up, just shut up, shut up, shut up. Try to take it slow. To find out where's the love? Where is the love, the love, the love? My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard. Damn right, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to charge. I have to fucking charge you.